Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell digital products on YouTube. So first things first, you must create a YouTube channel, YouTube account, and then once you have set up your YouTube account or channel, then you must know what digital product to create. So choose something useful to sell as much as possible, like planners, ebooks, Canva templates, budget trackers, and so on. To get some information, you can go to Etsy and then search for any planner or any digital product that people are buying nowadays. And then after that, you have to basically load your product to your store. If you have your Shopify, if you have your Etsy store, if you have your WordPress, if you have your Gumroad, or if you are connected to Amazon, or let's just say affiliate marketing like Amazon, then basically you can add your product, or you can get the link and then add this to your YouTube description. So let's just say if you're an affiliate marketer and you have your account on Amazon, you just have to post, promote your product, get that link, post it in your YouTube channel, YouTube video, and then publish. Okay, so this is what it looks like. What you're going to do, of course, is you must have your account on those selling platform that I have mentioned. Once you have your account, your products there, and you have your link, then you can now start promoting your products. So choose what to make. You can create planners, budget trackers, resume templates, ebooks. So, for example, you wanted to post, or you wanted to create a video tutorial on how to create planner. So let's just say you will create a tutorial for how to create planner, post it in your YouTube, and then add the link of your store where you have posted your planner products. To do that, you go to Canva and then you can create a planner here. So there are two things that you can create. You can create your tutorial on how to make a planner, and you can also create the planner. So as you can see here in Canva, all these elements, features, templates are for free if you have upgraded your plan into Pro. You can create planners, you can create trackers for free, but some features are limited. So I strongly suggest to upgrade your plan into Pro. Now go to ChatGPT and then ask for an idea for a weekly budget planner for your planner template that you're going to post to your Etsy or whatever shop that you have, Shopify. And then basically what you're doing right now is that you are creating a tutorial on how to make a planner. So for creating tutorial, you can use Bandicam, you can use OBS Studio for screen recording. Okay, and then here I'm also doing or creating my weekly planner aside from doing a tutorial for that. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is look for the template here in Canva or weekly budget meal planner, or you can start from scratch. Basically, what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to add some elements and delete some unnecessary elements, change this one. There are tons of features and elements here in Canva. If you want to add boxes, if you want to add lines, if you want to add other features like calendar and so on, all you have to do is go to elements and then search for that right here. Okay. And then basically, it's kind of, or it takes time to create templates here in Canva, but it's worth it. Okay. Especially all of the elements and objects, text, graphics, photos, and also you can add more elements through applications here in Canva if you are on, or if you're using Pro. So as you can see here, I'm manually creating my weekly budget meal planner. So I'm going to add boxes right here. Inside the boxes later, I'm going to add text. Like I'm going to add a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then also I am planning to add the lunch, or I just say breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I can write here. And then once done, I'm going to add the information of my weekly budget meal planner. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to show you how to add some information. For example, here I'm going to add breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So this is what it looks like. I have added this. I get the images or graphics from Elements, and then add some information like number one, breakfast, number two, lunch, number three, dinner. So in number one, I'm going to add the breakfast list or menu. And same thing for number two, I'm going to add the information about the meal and so on with a number three for dinner. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like if I'm going to add tables right here. So basically, if you want to add text box, you just have to go to text elements rather and then type boxes and you can add this one right here. So for Monday, number one, breakfast, oatmeal, banana. For number two, which is my lunch, so I have here eggs, tomatoes, and then or turkey and cheese sandwich. And then for dinner, I have here chicken rice and broccoli. So I'm just going to add it right here. Now, for duplicate or for adding more boxes, you just have to click the box and then tap on duplicate and add this to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So basically, that's how easy it is. You can create your own. I know that you can do better than this. This is just an idea on how to create a weekly budget meal planner template here that you can sell to your store, to your shop like Etsy, Shopify. Get that link and then add the link or add the product link to your YouTube video. And basically that's it. So you can add a more pages if you want. You just have to click this add page. Look for another template that you can use for the information. So what you're going to do, just add budget, grocery list, carbs, vegetables, and so on. So all you have to do is to follow the weekly budget planner idea that you have asked from ChatGPT and then transfer or copy this to your Canva. Okay, and then once you're done with everything here, then what you're going to do is you have to basically tap on the share button. You can download this as PDF or PNG. Everything is up to you. But if you're going to sell this to your store, then you need to download this as PDF and then set a password for that, or you must know how to sell it to your customer. Okay, so it's very important that you have your Etsy shop or Shopify store. If you are connected to Amazon, then just get the link and then post it here on your YouTube video. So before posting, you need to add your product link and then add an example like call to action, add a thumbnail, and then post this one. So basically, this is how easy it is to create or to sell digital products here on YouTube. So once done, then you can create more content, then you can track your results. So again, you just have to create the digital product, create helpful YouTube videos, create tutorials, add your product link, build an audience, track your results, and earn money. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.